Welcome to Season 3 of Airhead Institute, your 45-minute power-up at noon Eastern. This season, we're cashing in on AI, from Gemini to game changers, from tools to trailblazers. We're unlocking the future, one fearless session at a time. No tech skills? No problem. This is immersive learning. With your hosts, AI Junior and AI Johnny. Smart with tech, simple to follow, sharp by design. AI won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI will. Let the edge be yours.
Hey, everybody. Welcome to Airhead Institute Season 3, Episode 1, entitled Talk AI with Trailblazers. Long intro today. Today is August 7th, 2025, and we have a special surprise for everybody. Every Thursday this August, we're sitting down with trailblazers from every field, spies, researchers, social activists, and more for candid conversations about how AI is unexpectedly woven into their stories. Surprising connections, real stuff, no fluff. Today we kick off the series with some powerful voices. We have with us today Bryan, who was wrongfully incarcerated at the age of 23 and spent 29 years in maximum security prisons across New York State. His conviction stemmed from prosecutorial misconduct and tragic misidentification, but Bruce didn't just survive, he transformed. While behind bars, he earned multiple degrees, mentoring fellow inmates, and launched the first prison-led gun buyback program and book drive in New York. Since receiving executive clemency and walking free in 2023, Bruce has become a global change strategist, a human justice advocate, and a transformational speaker, using his voice to change systematic oppression and inspiring reform. Bruce is joined today by Alexander McLean, a British lawyer and humanitarian who founded the Justice Defenders in 2007 to transform criminal justice in Africa. Inspired by his work in Uganda's prisons at age 18, he trains incarcerated individuals and prison staff as paralegals, providing legal education and free services to over 100,000 people, securing the release of over 30,000. A senior TED Fellow and Ashoka Fellow, McLean's mission empowers the defenseless to advocate for justice and reform systematic inequities. And finally, Julia Kuan is one of New York City's most respected trial and appellate attorneys with over 30 years of experience in criminal defense and civil rights litigation. She has secured acquittals, appellate reversals, and post-conviction relief for clients facing serious charges, including homicide. Her cases have led to multiple million-dollar settlements for the wrongfully convicted and exposed abuse by police and prison guards. Julia began her career at Legal Aid Society and later served as a supervising attorney at the Justice Defenders. She is also a former professor of criminal law and a recognized super lawyer and Law Dragon top 500 civil rights attorney. Her work continues to shape justice reform across New York and beyond. This is Talk AI with Trailblazers. JR, let's dive in.
That's super awesome. Well, welcome, guys. We actually have, we're so happy to have you guys. I don't even know where to start. So first of all, Bruce, welcome to the show. Julia, welcome to the show. This is technically an AI specific kind of show, but we actually are doing every Thursday in August, Talk AI with Trailblazers. And you guys are our very first Trailblazers that actually are setting the trend for us today. So Bruce, Julia, you guys want to give a little quick introduction? We gave you a good introduction, but if we want to say anything else, that would be awesome.
Julia, would you like to go first? Ladies first.
Bruce, I think you should start.
My name is Bruce Bryan. I'm currently a United States Ambassador for Justice Defenders, which is a global organization that provides higher legal education for incarcerated men and women in 22 prisons in Kenya and Uganda. I was fortunate enough to be released on executive clemency 2 years ago by New York State Governor Kathy Hochul. Since then, I've become a client advocate, a public speaker, and a staunch advocate for countless people left behind bars, because this is personal to me. My journey is very personal, and how it impacted me is something that I wouldn't want, to see others continuously to go through. So this is my life's work. And John, I think I'm going to try to get you to introduce me everywhere, because your introduction was so amazing. So I think Julia would agree that we need to hire John Camilla just for the intro of all of us.
That was just the opening scene. Want more? We've got it. Join Airhead Institute, the ultimate AI community at www.airheadinstitute.ai. Free to join, no tech background needed, 45-minute live sessions, mobile app for nonstop chat with curious minds. It's immersive, it's inspiring, it's where you belong. What are you waiting for? Register now for free. www.airheadinstitute.ai.